Hey everyone! If you love reading manga, here are the 10 best manga reader apps for Android. First, Manga Plus, an official app with free access to popular titles. Second, Manga Up, great for fantasy and action manga with regular updates. Third, Webtoon, perfect for vertical scrolling and webcomic-style stories. Fourth, Webcomics, lots of genres like romance, fantasy, and thrillers. Fifth, Manga, premium quality comics with smooth, ad-free reading. Sixth, Manga-toon, colorful manga and web novels in multiple languages. Seventh, Web Novel, a huge library of manga-style novels and illustrated stories. Eighth, Tomix, high-quality mature comics in HD. Ninth, Tapas, known for indie manga and original web series. And 10th, Inker Comics, official English releases of popular manga. That's it. These are the best manga reader apps for Android. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.